A referral gets sent out, but the patient never gets scheduled. No one notices until weeks or months have gone by. If you've worked in healthcare long enough, you've probably seen it more times than you'd care to admit. By then, the window for early intervention has passed. The patient's condition may have worsened and the opportunity for timely care is gone. This is what we call appointment leakage, and it's a much bigger problem than most people realize. Whether it's orthopedics, GI, or any specialty care, referrals can fall apart at any stage for a variety of reasons. Maybe the documentation was incomplete. Maybe prior authorization wasn't submitted. Maybe the patient was waiting for a call that never came, or they got overwhelmed and gave up. And on the practice side, referral teams are often juggling hundreds of cases. There's no easy way to see which referrals are active, which are stalled, or which patients have been lost in the shuffle. This is where Hub Healthcare can transform your workflow. Hub gives you full visibility into the entire referral process. From the moment a referral comes in, you can track it, start to finish, because everything is centralized. If documentation is missing, the system flags it. If a referral hasn't been scheduled, it's easy to spot and follow up. And if the patient hasn't responded, you can see that too and take action before it becomes a gap in care. In our case, this has meant fewer no-shows, more completed appointments, and a lot less manual work for our staff. Hub also helps streamline scheduling. Patients get reminders automatically. Specialists receive complete organized referral packets. And you're not left wondering where things stand because everything is visible in real time. It's not just about managing referrals more efficiently. It's about closing the loop, making sure patients get from point A to point B, making sure that when care is recommended, it actually happens. And when that happens, everyone wins. Providers get the right information, patients receive timely care, and practices reduce the time and revenue lost to missed connections. If your organization is still relying on spreadsheets, shared inboxes, or old portals to track referrals, there's a much better way. And Hub Healthcare is the tool that can actually make a difference for you.